Mia, all the English learning advice says practice in the morning, but I'm a night owl. I'm most alert at night.
Same. I tried forcing myself to study mornings and it was miserable. Then I created a night owl English routine.
Today, we're sharing how night people can optimize their English learning according to their natural rhythm.
First, let's accept the truth. There's no best time to learn. The best time is when you're most alert.
Morning people and night people have different peak cognitive hours.
Research shows night owls are often more creative and focused during evening and night hours.
So fighting your natural rhythm is actually counterproductive.
Let's create a night owl English routine. Evening, 6 to 8 p.m., transition time.
As you finish work or school, use this time for passive English exposure.
Listen to English podcasts during your evening routine, commute home, making dinner.
Your brain is transitioning from day mode to evening mode, perfect for gentle exposure.
Prime time, 8 to 11 p.m., peak focus hours for night owls.
This is when you do intensive English practice that requires concentration.
Grammar exercises, writing practice, difficult reading, active listening comprehension work.
Your brain is sharp, so use these hours for challenging material.
Late night, 11 p.m. to 1 a.m., creative and conversational practice.
If you're still energized, this is perfect for creative English use.
Write stories, journal, have online conversations with people in different time zones.
Night owls around the world are awake. You can find conversation partners easily.
Wind down, 1 to 2 a.m., gentle English exposure before sleep.
Use English audiobooks, watch calm English content, review vocabulary passively.
Let your brain absorb English as you prepare for sleep.
Now let's discuss advantages night owls have for English learning.
Advantage 1. Night is quieter, fewer distractions, interruptions, and responsibilities.
During the day, you have calls, errands, people needing things. At night, it's just you and your learning.
Advantage 2. Creative thinking peaks at night for many people.
If you're a night owl, you might find that evening writing flows more easily than morning writing.
Advantage 3. Access to global language partners.
When it's 11 p.m. for you, it might be morning or afternoon somewhere else in the world.
You can have real-time conversations with native English speakers across different time zones.
Now let's address specific night owl challenges and solutions.
Challenge 1. Feeling guilty for not being a morning person.
Solution: accept your chronotype. Science shows 30 to 40% of people are natural night owls.
You're not lazy. Your body clock is just different.
Challenge 2. Family or roommates sleeping while you want to practice speaking.
Solution: use whisper practice or go to a different room, or practice writing and reading instead of speaking.
Challenge 3. Screen time before bed affecting sleep quality.
Solution: use blue light filters, choose calm content, and gradually reduce screen brightness as you wind down.
Challenge 4. Fewer live classes or events designed for night owls.
Solution: focus on self-paced learning, recorded courses, YouTube videos, apps work anytime.
Let's share specific night owl learning strategies.
Strategy 1. Batch your intensive learning during your peak hours.
Save your hardest tasks, new grammar, complex texts, active practice, for 8 to 11 p.m. when you're sharpest.
Strategy 2. Use late night for creative expression in English.
Many night owls are naturally more creative at night. Write, create content, express ideas freely.
Strategy 3. Connect with other night owl learners online.
You can join Discord servers or Telegram groups where people are active during night hours.
You'll find a global community of night learners.
Strategy 4. Use nights for immersion activities you enjoy.
Watch that English series you're hooked on. Play games in English. Read that thriller novel, all at night when you're most engaged.
What changed after you optimized your learning for night hours?
My consistency improved dramatically. I stopped forcing myself to study at optimal morning times and started actually enjoying practice.
And your results?
My English improved faster because I was studying during my optimal hours, not society's recommended hours.
Productivity research confirms this. People perform better when working with their natural rhythm.
Let's give practical night owl tips.
Tip 1. Protect your night learning time. Tell family, 9 to 11 p.m. is my English time.
Tip 2. Prepare materials in advance. Have everything ready so you don't waste your peak hours searching for content.
Tip 3. Track your energy levels. Notice when you specifically are most focused and schedule intensive practice then.
Tip 4. Don't feel pressure to wake early for English practice. Sleep well, wake naturally, use your alert evening hours.
One important note, being a night owl doesn't mean neglecting sleep.
You still need 7 to 8 hours, just shifted later. Sleep 2 a.m., wake 10 a.m. is fine, if that's your rhythm.
All right, night owls, it's time to embrace your schedule.
Create your evening English routine starting tonight.
Comment what time you're most productive and how you'll use it for English.
See you in the next video.
Night owls unite for English!